Hello, my name is Ankush and I'm from India. I'm studying here in Ozford in VKL and I'm here from last 2 years and I had a great time with my friends. Um, Obviously the atmosphere because every time I come to Melbourne I get very positive vibe because of the people here. They are very helpful. So Ozford is basically multicultural. There are many students from different cultures, like from China, from Vietnam, from India, and from different countries. All the teachers are like family. They're teaching us very well, and they're helping in our studies, and they're also telling us how to survive in outside Melbourne. Actually, there are many things like it's in the center of the city, so you will not get like much time to get here. Also, you will see large amount of facilities. You can see I'm sitting in the library. We got huge book library. Also provides like everything you need. I think I choose it because it's in the middle of city, so I just get like 25 minutes to get here, and also I was getting like plenty of subjects here with a very good teachers. I would love to go for trade courses. Like I told you before, I'm doing VCAL here. I'll probably go for plumbing or something like trade courses like electrician or something like that. Obviously, I belong to Indian culture, so my favorite food will be Indian. And after living with like lots of people from different countries, now I like Chinese and Vietnamese as well. If you're planning to come in Melbourne, Oxford is the best school that I will suggest.